The suspect of the brutal stabbings that rocked the town of Moscow, Idaho, was arraigned in court today. 28-year-old Brian Kohberger is accused of murdering University of Idaho students Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Zayna Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin. Some of their families coming face to face with him in court.
This is the family that's going to make sure he doesn't get away with it.
A grand jury indicted Kohberger last week with 4 counts of first-degree murder, enabling the prosecutors to avoid their planned preliminary hearing.
This is actually a blow to the defense because the state would have had to present evidence. The defense would have had time to question the witness and get information about what the state actually has in their possession as far as evidence.
Both Kohberger and his attorney stood silent, the judge entering a not guilty plea on his behalf. Authorities have repeatedly called this a targeted attack, alleging he carried it out before making a pre-planned cross-country trip home to Pennsylvania with his father. He was pulled over twice along the way for traffic violations.
Okay.
But Kohberger's former public defender tells ABC that the grand jury indictment could work in Kohberger's favor.
The less information that's given to the public and talked about in the media, it certainly protects Brian's right to a fair trial and his due process rights. The concerns obviously are that they didn't get the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses at that preliminary hearing.
Prosecutors are compiling more than 20,000 pieces of evidence, including a pillow and mattress cover found inside the suspect's apartment that tested presumptive positive for blood. If convicted, Kohberger could face the death penalty. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Moscow, Idaho.